If your Venmo transfer failed, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and remove and re-add your payment method, because generally it could also be causing your problem. Also, simply go ahead and verify your bank information. So double check for your routing and account numbers. If bank information is invalid, just relink the account. If that is not the case, you could also check your identity verification status. So if you haven't already verified yourself, as a identity verification is very necessary, you need to simply go ahead and fill it out, provide them your government ID, and that is about it. It should go ahead and fix the problem as soon as your verification is complete. If that doesn't work, you could also try changing your instant versus standard delivery. So you could try to use instant if standard failed, or standard if instant failed. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the